Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Exponents are also called powers or indices. Exponents are also known as index or power. The exponents of a number says how many times to use the number in the multiplication. For example, 8 squared is equal to 8 times 8 is equal to 64. In other words, 8 squared could be called 8 to the second power or 8 to the power of 2 or simply as 8 squared. Another example is 64 is equal to 4 cubed. 4 cubed means that is the exponential form of the number 64. 4 cubed means the 3 factor of 4 or 4 times 4 times 4. The laws of exponents. Exponential form. The exponent of a power indicates how many times the base multiplies itself. For example, 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Zero exponent rule. This says that anything raised to the zero power, the answer is 1. For example, 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Y raised to 0 is equal to 1. Negative exponent rule. Negative exponents in the numerator get moved to the denominator and become positive exponents. Negative exponent in the denominator get moved to the numerator and become positive exponents. You have to remember that you only move the negative exponents. Another example, 5 raised to negative 2. So to answer that, kailangan i-imagine natin na yung 5 raised to negative 2, may imaginary siya na 1. So, automatic naman na meron siyang 1 sa ilalim. So, ang mangyayari po ay ililipat po yung 5 raised to negative 2 sa denominator para maging positive po siya. At ang mangyayari ay magkakaroon ka ng numerator na 1. Kaya ang magiging answer niya ay 1 over 5 squared. At yung 1 over 5 squared ay magiging 1 over 25. Kasi 5 squared is equal to 25. So, yung answer is 1 over 25. Next is power rule or powers to powers. To raise a power to a power, you need to multiply the exponents. There are several other rules that go along with the power rule, such as the product to powers rule and the quotient to the powers rule. For example, 2 raised to 2 close and open parenthesis raised to the power of 3 is equal to 2 raised to 2 times the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2 times the power of 3 is equal to 2 raised to 6 and 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. Another example, x raised to 3 close and open parenthesis raised to the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 3 times the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 15. Another is x and y close and open parenthesis raised to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3. Product rule. If you are multiplying powers with the same base, keep the base and add the exponents. For example, x squared times x cubed is equal to x to the power of 2 plus the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 5. So, kailangan po nating tandaan yung rules na binigay na kailangan nating i-keep ang base at i-add lang natin ang exponent. So, dahil ang exponent ng x ay 2 at 3, kailangan lang nating i-add. Kaya ang naging answer ay x dahil kinapi lang natin ang base at in-add natin ang exponent niya na 2 plus 3. Kaya ang naging sagot ay x to the 5th power. Quotient rule. When dividing powers with the same base, keep the base and subtract the exponent. For example, x to the power of 7 over x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 7 minus the power of 4 over 1 is equal to x to the 3rd power. In the quotient rule, you just have to remember to copy the base and subtract the exponent.